What is endoplasmic reticulum? The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is an extensive network of membranes found in eukaryotic cells. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of proteins and lipids, as well as in the transport of these molecules within the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is a system of tubes and sacs in the cell that helps make and transport proteins and fats. The ER is divided into two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough ER covered with ribosomes. It helps in protein synthesis and modification. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth ER lacks ribosomes and is involved in the production of lipids and the detoxification of harmful substances. Example: the rough ER helps produce proteins that are exported out of the cell, while the smooth ER makes lipids like fats. For instance, liver cells have a lot of smooth ER to detoxify chemicals, while cells that produce enzymes have a lot of rough ER.